Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, replacing the steering wheel on my 2013 Jetta daily. This is the current steering wheel, just the standard steering wheel that came in my TDI comfort line. A little worn and whatever, but main reason for replacing is just a visual upgrade, and I plan on upgrading the cluster in the near future. So adding in the buttons on the right side will be handy as well. But let's have a look at the new cluster that we're going to be putting in this car. So this is this wheel came out of a 2011 Beetle Turbo, it said. So I don't know if it's just a standard wheel in that car or if it's anything special for that model, but flat bottom, buttons on both sides for when I upgrade my cluster. For now they'll just do nothing. Got the bag. Wheel's not in perfect condition. There's a little scratch here. There's some wear and tear on it, but that's okay. It's not a show car, just a daily added functionality and the nice look of a flat bottom. So without further ado, let's get to it. First thing, make sure your battery's disconnected whenever you're monkeying around with an airbag. So first thing I'm going to do is key on. Yes, my battery isn't disconnected yet. I'll disconnect it once I unplug. We're going to turn the wheel 90 degrees in the back here. Hopefully you can see in there. We're going to pop a screwdriver and pop that clip out of the way, and then the bag will pull off part way. Then we'll turn the wheel 180 degrees, do the clip on the other side. Alright, once you get those two clips out, you'll have the bag out, and you can pull this little white tab out. And you can unplug airbag and this little connector here. Alright, now that you got the wheel off, make sure your tires are straight and your wheel is straight up and down. Then you can come in here with your M12 and crack her loose. Now make sure this is straight before you take it off, or you're going to be annoyed. Take her off. Don't spin the clock spring. Keep it right, nice and straight. Alright. Get your airbag out of the way. Grab your new wheel. Put it on. Make sure you're centered. And you can tighten her up. good and tight. There is the torque spec if you want to look it up. Feel free to look it up. Now let's throw the bag on. This bag is 2 connectors. So we'll plug in this guy first. And we'll go for the clock spring connector. And you can click your airbag in, but what we're gonna do, then you can click your airbag in. I'm gonna connect the battery, verify that all my buttons work, and then I'll click the airbag in.
12 seconds later.
So I reconnected the battery, key on. Volume button works. Our arrows work. Oh, I think we're all good. These buttons even work to change things on the cluster. So that's perfect. Let's click the airbag in and then I'll show you what she looks like. Okay, and there we have it. Well, I think that looks a whole bunch better. Really modernizes the look of the car a bit. I'm happy with it. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And any questions, comments you have, leave them down below. I appreciate it all. And yeah, other than that, I guess that's it for today. So until the next time, keep fixing it until it breaks. We'll catch you on the next one.